Hi, I'm Navdeep, a registered physiotherapist at Impact Physio and Sport Clinic. Did you know the way you breathe directly affects your pelvic floor? Let's explore how breath and pelvic floor muscles work together. And I will show you a simple breathing technique that supports recovery, reduces tension, and helps you feel more in control. Why breathing matters. Your diaphragm and pelvic floor are part of the same pressure system. When you inhale, the diaphragm moves down, and ideally, so does your pelvic floor. When you exhale, both gently lift. This rhythm is important for managing intra-abdominal pressure, supporting your bladder and core, and preventing pelvic symptoms like leaking, pressure or heaviness, pelvic pain. But if you're breathing shallowly, like into your chest or holding your breath during movement, the pelvic floor can stay tense, overworked, or even weak. How to breathe the right way? Let's try diaphragmatic breathing, also called belly breathing. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly expand outward, not your chest. As you exhale through your mouth, feel your belly gently fall and pelvic floor softly lift. Repeat this for 5 to 10 slow breaths. No forcing, no gripping, just letting go. This gentle up-down movement trains your pelvic floor to move with your breath instead of bracing all the time. Who this helps and when to use it. This breathing technique is helpful for new moms in postpartum recovery, anyone with pelvic pain or tension, those dealing with stress incontinence, athletes working on core pelvic coordination, desk workers who feel constantly tight. Use it before exercise, during daily tasks, or anytime you feel your body bracing or holding tension.
I breathe every day. Why do I need to learn how to breathe again?
Many people unknowingly chest breathe or brace, which adds pelvic tension. Relearning diaphragmatic breathing helps reset that.
Can better breathing actually stop bladder leaks?
Yes, coordinating your breath with movement reduces pressure on the bladder and supports pelvic floor control. Breathing seems so simple, but when you do it well, it becomes a powerful tool for pelvic floor health and full body recovery. If you are unsure whether you are coordinating breath and movement properly, or if you are dealing with pelvic floor symptoms, we are here to help. Reach out to us at Impact Physio and Sport Clinic for a personalized assessment. Let's build your foundation starting with your breath.